Division is the mathematical operation used to split a number into equal parts or groups. It's the opposite of multiplication. In division, you are essentially determining how many times one number can be contained within another. Key parts of a division equation: dividend, the number being divided; divisor, the number by which the dividend is divided; quotient, the result of the division. Short division is a simplified method of performing division, typically used for dividing larger numbers by single-digit numbers. Instead of writing out the full long division process, you do most of the steps mentally, using a smaller format. It's faster, but you need to have a good understanding of the multiplication tables to use it effectively. This is our question. Let's answer it in short division. First, we divide the 9 by the first number to the left. Because 9 cannot go into 1, put a 0 and put the 1 with the 2. Now, we do 9 divided by 12 as we added the 1 form just then. After, the result is 1, so we put it on the top. Then, we have the leftovers, which is the 3. Now we add the 3 with the 6. Finally, we divide the 36 with 9. After, our result will be 4. Therefore, our answer to this question would be 14.